In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Washington State. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to pull up your ticket, what to double check before you pay, and how to save proof of payment so you can move on with confidence. First, head to the official online payment portal used for traffic citations in Washington State. Use only trusted government sites for the court or agency that issued your ticket. On the home page, look for a clearly labeled option such as Pay Tickets or Pay Traffic Ticket Online. If you navigated here from a search engine, verify that the address ends in a government domain and avoid third-party services that may add unnecessary fees. When in doubt, start from the issuing court's official website and follow their link to the payment page. Next, locate your ticket in the system. You'll typically be asked to enter one of the following: your ticket number, a notice number, or your license plate number. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your citation, paying attention to any letters, leading zeros, or hyphens. If your ticket was issued very recently, don't worry if it isn't found right away. Many systems need a couple of days to update. You can try again later or confirm details on the court's site. Before you pay, carefully review your ticket details on the screen. Check the violation type to make sure it matches what you received, confirm the fine amount, and note the due date. Late payments can lead to extra penalties, so it's important to verify you're paying the right citation on time. If anything looks incorrect, pause and contact the court directly for clarification before proceeding. Paying the wrong ticket can be difficult to undo. When you're ready, select the correct ticket and move to payment. Enter your debit or credit card information on the secure checkout page, then submit your payment. A small processing fee may apply, and you'll usually see that listed before you confirm. For your security, complete this step on a private, secure connection rather than public Wi-Fi, and make sure the site shows a secure connection indicator in your browser. Finally, save your confirmation. Download or screenshot the receipt page and store it somewhere safe. Keep the confirmation or reference number as proof of payment. It's a good idea to hold on to that receipt until you've verified your balance is clear and there are no additional notices. That's it. Simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting this task checked off your list.